Hi, this is Nikki Golly with Fuel Your Body on location in Royatan off the coast of Honduras. Beautiful. I just snorkeled in the most beautiful place I have in a really long time. But I noticed that the coral reefs are bleaching. Have you researched any of that lately, and do you know what's going on? There's three main things that make a big difference. One is our plastic use. We need to use less plastic wherever possible because, like it or not, it's ending up in the ocean and it's causing all kinds of problems. And the other thing is sunscreen. Do you put sunscreen on your body and then jump in the ocean? Because that is skyrocketing the pH, or making it more acidic rather. So the numbers are going lower, and that's causing the bleaching. So what you can do is watch, I have a link to one of my other videos about what you can do to make your own sunscreens. It's going to be better for the oceans and better for you. And the third thing is come out and check it out. Just be aware of what's going on, because the more you're aware, the more of it's at the forefront of your mind, the more changes we can make, the bigger impact. Because if it's at the forefront of your mind, you're probably going to talk about it with your friends and neighbors, and that awareness is going to spread, hopefully like wildfires, so we can change some of the things, because we're kind of at a tipping point with our oceans and our world, and it's something we need to pay attention to. All right, so with tips and tricks, I am Nikki Golly with Fuel Your Body, and I look forward to helping you stay happy and healthy. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you haven't become part of the tribe yet, please click the subscribe button and also click that little bell so you never miss a beat. If you want some more inspiration and motivation directly from me, please get on my email list at fuelyourbody.com and make today the best day yet.